Absolutely. Today's delivery is absolutely stellar, and I'm going to dive into it with even more enthusiasm. Because, when you're talking about tracking the market trends, you have to really dig into the details. You can't just skim the surface here. I'm speaking from the heart, so let me break it down for you clearly. Yes, I'm talking about the Crypto-Quebec scene, the hustle, the real talk, and how every little detail matters when you're in the game trying to make it through the trading session. Now, for those who are interested in joining me for live trading, I'm going to open this up in a bit, number 47, and from the very start, I'm putting out a hot deal, free of charge for a spread with me. So let's take a quick look at what happened today. Everyone, please give a shout out here because we're going to walk through every single gain, loss, and what happened behind the scenes. I want to explain clearly what goes on when you're doing live trading and why each strategy matters. You see, when I say live trailing, I'm not just talking about losing money. Oh no, that's part of the journey. But it's about understanding the patterns, the timing, and how to adapt when the market shifts. I'm going to walk you through each move step by step so you can learn from it, understand it, and most importantly, get better at it. Now, here's the thing. Sometimes people think trailing is just about cutting losses. But try this. About 70% of what happens in the trading world comes from controlling the timing and exiting at the right point. You can't just rely on luck or hope. You need discipline. That's why I mentioned a target of 10 core for Sunday. Now, I'm not just counting days, I'm counting pain points, setbacks, and when you realize you have to keep going even when it gets tough. Let's get into the technicals, because understanding the numbers is what separates the pros from the beginners. The tiny mistakes, the emotional decisions, the stops that aren't set properly, these are the ones that matter. I've seen it time and time again. The moment a trader loses confidence, they jump instead of act. That's when even the strongest strategies can break down. But here's the good news. That's when you start to feel the power of consistency. Every day I'm learning, every mistake is a lesson, and every tool's deal is shaping.
Also, I talked about the psychological aspect of trading. It's not just about numbers, it's about mindset. I remind myself that every pullback is just a temporary situation, and every rebound is a chance to gain more. So if you're reading this and feeling discouraged, just remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Another thing I want to emphasize is the role of social media in our trading journey. Today, there were several videos going live, some of them with viewership numbers reaching over 10,000. It's incredibly motivating to see so many people engaging with our content, sharing tips, and supporting each other. That's why I encourage everyone to stay active online, ask questions, and learn from each other. In fact, I had a chat with a new member yesterday, and it was incredibly inspiring. They were just starting out, so I couldn't high-five them too much, but it made me think, how do we motivate beginners? I promise, if you listen closely, you'll hear my advice in this upcoming video. I also mentioned my upcoming plans for next week. There's a live session scheduled for Sundays, and I'll be sharing more detailed strategies that will help you improve. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to share more insights. Let's talk about the capital management aspect. People often get it wrong, thinking that more money always means better returns. But the truth is, smart risk management is non-negotiable. Always set your stops properly and never let emotions dictate your decisions. I've never lost more money than I did during this Foliomi, but I've also gained more knowledge. To wrap it all up, this journey has been incredibly rewarding. It has tested my skills, challenged my mindset, and most importantly, reminded me why I started in the first place. I'm not here to boast or show off. I'm here to help others, to share my experience, and to build a stronger community around us. So